Hi, I'm Adeekshana Ekanayake and I studied at Sirima Bandanayake Vidyalaya and I did my A-levels in art stream in French, Business Statistics and ICT. After my A-levels, I started following college diploma in clothing technology and management at Brandix corporate campus, and now I have successfully completed my diploma and now I'm following the BCC Bell Inspired Internship at Brandix Essentials Ratnarana. So right after my A-levels, I was looking for a career path which is related to apparel, fashion and textiles. So while looking for something like that, when I was scrolling through my Instagram, I found this web advertisement that came through saying there's a diploma offered by the Brandix corporate campus of clothing technology and management. So with the subject contents that they have given, I was really excited and I started applying to the Brandix corporate campus. When talking about the life experience here at BCC, although we started things as online and me not being a science student, I got a really good support from the lecturer panels and my friends to follow the science subjects very easily, and which helped me get through my exams really well. And they made sure that we do our revisions on time, and they made sure we get our lessons properly. So, and also when we came to the practical instance here at BCC, we got our hands on the practical instances where we get to get our hands on to sewing machines and sewing equipments and doing the sewing by our own, starting as a very good student of being a sewing student but ending up as a successful student. Likewise, we got to learn a lot of things that we didn't get to learn, and also these corporate athleticism lessons where they made sure that unlike other places where we improve ourselves and where it focuses on our personal growth and finds what we need to improve our lives as a person and groom ourselves to go to the industry, which now helps me a lot to thrive in the industry. So the other thing is, in here, though we have lectures all day, they made sure our life is balanced by having a carom board and then a badminton court, and likewise those little activities we did that made sure that we have a great team and those little events we did in the university, which helped us improve our team building skills and meet the people in other batches likewise. BCC has helped me in many different ways, me and my fellow batchmates in many different ways, to be exposed to the industry and be adapted in that culture. Where when we start, where they figure out what we need to improve in ourselves by doing corporate athleticism sessions and improve our soft skills and other skills which are need to have it in ourselves to the personal growth. And when it comes to the industry exposure, they make sure we get the industry exposure before we are going into the industry by having a 3 to 4 months of in-plant training at a particular plant and another front end where we get the entire departmental background of industry exposure, where we get the practical knowledge and have our hands on each departments. And after all, by the time we are being selected to one of the internships, they make sure we pass the assessment centers well by training ourselves in many different forms where we can improve ourselves, like doing how to face an interview and how to improve the confidence, and likewise doing IQ tests, and also where you need to adapt into a critical situation. Likewise, those small little things that you need to improve in yourselves. One thing I like about BCC is it helps us, they get ourselves engaged in different events that they have, like different cultural events like Aurudu, Christmas, likewise. So it's always very exciting to come to uni and meet everyone and always be engaged in one of those events organizing. Likewise, so it's not all about studies, it's always about balancing yourself here. My future goal in this industry to be an inspiring person and also to be a person who will make a real change in this industry. So for everyone who's planning to join to apparel industry, I think you will get the best education from BCC.